Here is the quickest and simplest way of sharing your current location if you are using a Android 13 or 14 smartphone. You will need to use the Google Maps app itself. Be sure to have the latest update and let's get started. Whether you're lost or you just need help or simply want a friend to find where you are, go into the Google Maps app itself. And once you appear here, assuming you do have your location enabled, you will now go in, zoom in, or just wherever you are at the moment, it will give you a highlight of where you are. And if not, you can simply just zoom in if you are in that specific area and long press. As you long press, it's going to create a pin for you, and you'll notice that this little tab to the bottom will pop up and you'll see that there is a share icon. Once you tap on the share icon now, this is going to create a sharing link in which you can copy. And when you copy that link by tapping here, that's going to allow you to either send this through a message or through Messenger or any type of app that will allow you to share a link or a message. And that's how you would go about to do it. And then once the person gets that link, they can tap on it. And if they have the Google Maps, it's going to open up for them and they will know exactly where you are. If this guide helped you out in any way and you're no longer lost, your friend found you, do hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.